Ever wondered if you could turn your passion for social media into a profitable business? What if I told you that by the age of 20, I made my first 10,000 rupees by flipping Instagram pages? Stay with me, because I'm about to reveal how you can do it too, and trust me, you won't want to miss this. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into innovative ways to make money online and achieve financial freedom. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell, so you never miss out on our tips and tricks. Today, I'm going to share an incredible journey how I made my first 10,000 rupees at 20 by creating and selling Instagram pages. Let's rewind to when I was 18. Like many of you, I was fresh out of school, trying to navigate the complexities of adulthood. I spent countless hours on Instagram, not just mindlessly scrolling, but paying attention to trends, popular content, and how engagement works. I noticed niche pages everything from fitness to memes amassing huge followings, but what caught my eye was that some of these pages were actually for sale. Then, it clicked. What if I could create and sell these pages? The idea was simple but powerful: build valuable Instagram pages, grow their followings, and sell them for a profit. My journey began with a motivational quote page. I chose this niche because it had high engagement and was relatively easy to start. I remember my first attempt like it was yesterday. I started a fresh Instagram page, posting daily motivational quotes, leveraging trending hashtags and engaging with my followers. Growth was slow initially, but after a couple of months I had built a decent following. I sold that page for 300 rupees. It might not sound like much, but it was my first taste of success and proof that this concept worked. That 300 rupees was just the beginning. I analyzed over 100 pages the next day to find the perfect one to invest in. I found a page with good analytics and dropped a DM with my offer. The owner agreed to the sale. This page had about 1,000 followers and I bought it for 300 rupees. I knew that with a bit of effort, I could make it even more valuable. The strategy was straightforward: enhance the content, boost engagement, and then sell it for a higher price. The key to success was simple: reinvest profits to scale up. Let's break this process down into actionable steps so you can replicate my success. Step 1. First, pick a niche you're passionate about or that has a high engagement rate. Think fitness, travel, memes, motivational quotes. The options are endless. The goal is to find a niche that attracts followers and has potential buyers. Step 2. Create high-quality, engaging content. For my motivational page, I designed eye-catching quote graphics and paired them with trending hashtags. It's crucial to maintain consistency. Post regularly and interact with your audience. Use Instagram's features like stories, reels, and live sessions to keep your page dynamic and engaging. Step 3. Building a follower base takes time and effort. Engage with similar pages, participate in shout-out exchanges, and run small contests to attract more followers. The more interactive and engaging your page, the faster it will grow. Step 4. Once your page has a decent following, it's time to sell. Websites like Social Tradia, FameSwap, and various forums are great places to list your page. Highlight key metrics like engagement rates, follower demographics, and unique selling points. I remember selling my second page for 600 rupees, doubling my initial investment. Step 5. Use the profits from each sale to buy bigger pages. With my 600 rupees, I bought a fitness-themed page with 2,000 followers. I improved the content, boosted engagement, and flipped it for 1,200 rupees. Each flip should ideally bring higher returns, and that's how you scale. After selling my first motivational quotes page, I reinvested the 300 rupees into buying a travel-themed page with around 1,000 followers. I spent 2 months enhancing the content, posting breathtaking travel photos, engaging with followers through comments and stories, and collaborating with other travel influencers. This effort paid off when I sold the page for 900 rupees. That's a 600 rupees profit in just a couple of months. The momentum kept building. Each successful flip not only boosted my confidence but also increased my capital to reinvest in larger pages. By strategically selecting niches, creating engaging content, and consistently growing my follower base, I steadily increased my profits. Each flip was a step towards a bigger goal, making 10,000 rupees. Now, let me share some insights that can help you maximize your success. First, understand your audience. Know what your followers want to see. Tailor your content to their interests and needs. Second, engagement is king. The more you interact with your followers, the more loyal they become. Reply to comments, like their posts, and create engaging stories. Third, quality over quantity. Focus on high-quality content. It's better to post less frequently but with higher quality than to post mediocre content daily. Fourth, leverage analytics. Use Instagram's analytics to understand which posts perform best. Adjust your strategy based on these insights. Fifth, network with influencers. Collaborate with influencers in your niche. Their endorsement can significantly boost your follower count. Once I bought a meme page with 5,000 followers for 1,000 rupees. I dedicated time to creating hilarious, relatable content and engaging with the audience. Within a month, the page's followers doubled, and I sold it for 2,500 rupees. That's a 1,500 rupees profit simply by reinvesting and improving the page. By continuously reinvesting my profits and refining my strategy, I steadily climbed towards my goal. Each page flip taught me something new. Each reinvestment was a calculated risk, and each success built the foundation for the next. The journey to 10,000 rupees wasn't just about making money, it was about learning, adapting, and growing as an entrepreneur. So, there you have it. That's how I made my first 10,000 rupees by flipping Instagram pages. The process is straightforward, but it requires dedication, creativity, and willingness to learn. If I can do it, so can you. Start small, reinvest your profits, and watch your income grow. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money online.